The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklaconee out to 20 nautical miles until 5:15 p.m. EDT. At 3:41 p.m. EDT, strong thunderstorms were located over K Tower, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include K Tower. Move to safe harbor until this weather passes.